Hello friends, Oindrala Ghosh from Morpang Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. This is a modal collection I want to showcase. Basically, this modal silk is a very popular fabric and getting very spread across length and breadth of the country. For every craft, like the ajrak is one of the main craft which is being done on modal. Then there are hand block prints and many other designing which batik which can be done on modal fabric. Modal fabric is a blend of silk and cotton, and the front layer has that glaze and shine, and the back is muted. It is not glazy, so it's basically a very comfortable fabric for across the seasons, not in the very hard time winter, but then all across in summers and in rain and in all the seasons we can wear modal silk. So this is I just would start with the first one. See how beautiful. So this is a video I want to showcase only modals, only modals on ajrak, because this is getting very popular and I love it. I quite like this, So that's the palla. A beautiful palla. So that is the body, and see the color. It's completely natural dye. There is no chemical color in this. So this is the palla. This is the full palla of the sari. It's a beautiful black color. Black generally comes very shaded and not very nice. So that's a broad lower border. And so that is the body. And so the pleats comes very smooth, and whoever wears modals and modal silks and all would know very well. So that's the smart sari. That's a smart sari, and I have teamed a blouse piece in this as this. So this gives a very nice very nice look to the sari. You can actually wear a plain red one also, something similar. So I've just given a little lift to this. So the blouse piece is in handloom cotton. In this sari. So that's the combination. All these modal saris are priced at 3850 plus shipping. 3850 plus shipping. So that is the first one. The second one in this modal series is shipping is 200 outside Delhi, 200 and 100 rupees within Delhi. So that's the palla. That's the majestic palla. You can see how beautiful, extremely beautiful palla. And that is the gorgeous one. That's the body. The best part of the body is, see that line, this kind of lines come in the down. So both the borders are different. So this is also very smart. Very smart. Very smart. See, absolutely excellent one. And actually they are very elegant one also. It's not only being smart, it's being very elegant also. And that's the blouse piece. So that is the blouse piece. That's the blouse piece with the sari. So that's sari number 2. Pricing remains same across, 3850 plus shipping. 100 rupees within Delhi, outside Delhi 200 rupees for shipping. So that's the third one. The third sari. See, it's a vertical line. Amazingly beautiful color contrast. So these are all natural dye. The color is rust, not this red what you can see in the in the video. The color is rust color. It is so it's basically, now it's a work of alizarin, but Yeah, so that's the palla, and the body is straight lines with temple border, a very, yeah, so it's a tall creation, I would call it. It's a tall one where the lines come straight, and so that is the I don't know whether this has a blouse piece. No, this is 6 meters. It's a 6-meter sari. So you can actually take out a blouse like this from the inside, sleeveless blouse. It's a 6-meter sari. Okay. Now we come to another one. So that's another one. That's another beauty. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Extremely beautiful. See the palla, very neat, nice, and this block is also very nice. You know, a geometric border which has been given to this sari, a geometric border pattern which has been given to this sari. So that's the body. That's the body of the sari, and so that's the whole you know, the pleat structure. The pleats, see how efficiently I can do it. It looks like it, you know, falls like pure crepe, or you know, and also not as heavy as satin. So it has a very kind of a balanced effect, and that's the blouse part. That is the blouse part. So that's the blouse piece. So with the border, the blouse piece has this running border, and so that is the blouse part. So that's the whole sari. Take a screenshot and quickly write to me. Sari number 5. Sari number 5. Another in pretty rust red shade. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So that's the palla. Extremely beautiful palla. And so many blocks have been used. See how many types of blocks are used. So it is kind of such a quite a time consuming, tedious process. I have been to Ajrakpur, and I you know, this artisan of mine, this person who does craft with me, he is an you know, amazing guy who can do these things so well, and it takes so much of time. Then the season also matters a lot. Rain cannot help, because these are all natural colors. They don't come until and unless we have extremely, you know, hard and bright sunshine. So these sarees cannot be, you know, cannot be done only, cannot be made only. And this time Gujarat faced so much of rain. See, this is the whole body. This is the whole body. So that's the whole body, and so that's the palla. Very beautiful palla, and that is the blouse. Blouse is so pretty. See the blouse piece, so pretty, the blouse. So this is sari number 5. Sari number 6. These sarees were priced at 4,500. There is a marginal discount being given. See, all the sarees were priced at 4,500. So now there is a, you know, since we are all getting over for the festival season, so I mean getting towards, like actually inching towards festival season. So I just thought of giving a little bit of discount on these sarees, and if people are interested, they can just grab it, because it's a absolutely throwaway price of 3,850 is a throwaway price for these sarees. So you can just pick it up. I would I would go for new fabric and new things. So this another one. This is another palla. This is also a very, very pretty one. The body has this kind of a full you know, full motive, lovely motive in the body, lovely motive in the body. These are all very traditional craft, and from you know, from we say it's like, actually the originality of the craft we really don't know from where. We actually say it's from Persia and things like that, but really we don't know, because you know, our paintings in, you know, Ajanta, Ellora give so much of so much of representation of our craft, of our hand block, of our ikat pattern designs, that we really don't know that if these are from outside or it was already done, used to be done in India. So that's the blouse piece. So that's the blouse piece. Very pretty, very nice, and it's a red combination. Another red combination. The body is different. See. This is little orangish red. You know, there is the red also vary. Rust red, you know, it goes to maroon shade, it goes to orange shade, depending upon the sun, depending upon the color application and absorption of the fabric. The shade may be same, but then it depends upon how it works, how the nature of the fabric works, how that day, how much was the sunshine, how much was the dipping, how much was the steaming. Everything matters to get the colors. And so the variations are this. This is the palla. This is the palla. So that's the body. The body, you know, the body motifs are like this. Body motifs are like this. So very pretty, very nice. All these sarees are quite effort. You know, it's fruit of great labor. Fruit of great labor. So please, you know, whatever you like, just go for it. Don't even hesitate to pick it up, because these are all the finest modal silks that I can actually guarantee, and the work is also finest. So that's the blouse piece. That's the blouse piece. Okay, so that's another saree. Now I forgot the counting. I really can't. I really forgot the counting. So that's another. That's the palla. That's the palla. Very pretty palla. Very, very pretty palla. And so the body has this, a very well known and a very known kind of a, you know, block effect. वो cotton वाला भी निकाल देना, cotton भी दिखा देती हूँ अजरक में. हाँ. So that's the pleat and the body. That's the pleat and the body. So that's the whole body. Okay. And that's the palla, and that's the blouse piece. So this part is the blouse piece. This part is the blouse piece. That's the blouse piece. Okay. Another one in red and black. See how many patterns you can make out of these. So that's called the creativity. That's the creativity on the part of the artisan, that, you know, the same pattern, the same type of block printing, but the patterns and the blocks. See, this is the palla. See how pretty is the palla. How pretty. And all are different. All are different. So that's the border. See, the border also has such a jhalar pattern of the block. Beautiful one. And that's the body. That's the body. I'm just loving this block. This structural kind of a block. Looks so pretty. So that's the whole sari. That's the whole sari. See the whole sari? That's the whole sari. Beautiful body block. Beautiful body block. And that's the blouse. That part is the blouse. This is the blouse part. Okay. This is another red, rather rust red, and with a black body. A mesmerizing one again. A mesmerizing one. So that's the palla. That's the palla. Small lotus design on the palla. Small lotus design on the palla like this. And the body. The body has this black flowers, these kind of flowers, this kind of flowers. So these are all been very nice combination of the sari. Red and black is always a very warm and a very attractive combination. One of my most favorite combination. I'm a very black or a red person or a beige person. kind of, see. So that's the whole pleats, that's the pleats, and the blouse is this, the blouse is this, yeah, the blouse is this, this is the blouse. So that row, lotus which were given on the palla, that is the blouse piece also. So that's the this and that's the blouse piece. Now I think the change of colors happening. Change of colors is happening. So that is a mesmerizing white, off-white. Keeping white color is very, very difficult. This is the palla. This is the palla. It's an indigo. It's an indigo and rust, madder rust. It's an indigo and madder rust color. Keeping white color in the body. So it's not white actually. It is little, you know, they modern, they use a hartaki and combination which is used as a pre-wash to, you know, to make the fabric suitable for dyeing, to make the fabric suitable for block printing. So that's the body. Small lotus. See how pretty, how beautiful is the palla and the body, the border and the sari. So palla, body, border, sari. So that's like the four parts of a, you know, four parts of a beautiful creation and block ajrak creation. So that's the sari, and so that's the blouse piece. So that's the blouse piece. When you wear the sari with this kind of a nice jal blouse piece, you would rock. So that's one. That's the one. This is with lagri patta. This is with that zari border, lagri patta one. Yeah. This is that lagri patta. It's called in Gujarat, this zari border is called lagri patta. So, so this is another white with indigo. White with indigo. This is another white with indigo. See how pretty, how beautiful is the palla. Mesmerizing palla, isn't it? See how mesmerizing is the palla. So that's the body. The body is so pretty. The body is just so pretty. So pretty. I mean, each one of them has their own glamour and get-up. Each one of them has their own glamour and get-up. And see the white and indigo with a touch of lemon, with a touch of haldi actually, lemon yellow, haldi. So that's the border. So the lower border has this, the lower border and the whole body. That's the body print. And so that's the haldi and you know, the yellow and the indigo combination. So that's the body. That's the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece. These lotuses are on the blouse piece. See, very, very nice one. This lagri patta one is for same price as 3850 plus shipping. Another, it's completely in indigo, another indigo shade. See the you know, patterning in this. See the pattern, zigzag, zigzag, completely a different kind of a pattern in this. Completely a different kind of a pattern in this. See, so it's basically indigo with palla is this. Extremely beautiful palla, extremely beautiful palla. And so the red color on the indigo has come as maroon, you know, and the whole sari has this get-up. So it's basically from the middle part, Madhyamani, you know, in Bangla, if we are doing it on weaves, we would call it Madhyamani pattern. So this middle part, with printed middle part is called the Madhyamani pattern. So that's the pleats. So that part is the pleat. So that's the palla. So it's a beautiful indigo one, indigo sari with this is the blouse. This part is the blouse. This is the blouse part. Okay. So that's the whole. Another lovely Another lovely pretty indigo is this one. Very beautiful, very busy and beautiful sari. See, this is a busy block kind of. This is a palla, this is a palla, this is a palla, and the body has such neatness in this busy block also, and it is written ka, the English Hindi word, Hindi alphabet ka. It's going round, you know, on your upper border. So the ka akshar is going round your upper border like this. That's the ka, and that's the body. That is the body block. That is the body block. So it is it's interesting, na? This ka word, ka akshar is interesting. So that's the pleats, that's the pleats, that's the palla, and that's the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece. So another one in this is this rust color with green, rust and green combination, rust and green combination. So that's the, like this. So it is, the palla is like this, the palla is like this, and the body, we have shown one black body like this in stripes, in you know, in longitudinal stripes, lengthwise, the height wise, basically longitudinal stripes. So that's another one. So that's the pleats, that's the sari, very pretty and very smart one. See, that's the pleats. When you, it gives a little bit of puzzling effect, you know, in your eyes. And that's the blouse piece. So that part is the blouse. Okay, the broader stripes, the blouse, palla, this is the palla, and that's the whole sari. By the way, this is a terracotta necklace I'm wearing. This is a terracotta necklace I'm wearing. One girl does it very beautifully. So this is, see, a double line terracotta necklace with, this comes with the neck piece also. So this is it. See how pretty is that. This, you know, it doesn't seem to be a terracotta one, Poda Mati. So so that's the one. That's the different color. It's little on the different color scheme. It's beige and indigo. Combination is beige and indigo. That's the palla. Again, this is a Lagri Patta one. That's a Lagri Patta one. This is a Lagri Patta one. See, that's the palla. Little muted effect because it's coming with the beige color. So, but the indigo and beige also looks very pretty, very elegant actually, very elegant. So that's the body block. That is the body block. So when you do the pleats, and the pleats are matter of few seconds, whatever, pleats are just matter of few seconds, as the fabric is so nice. You know, there are modals which comes in very shiny effect and all that, so those are more synthetic ones, and lot of people use synthetic things with non-natural dye colors, I mean the chemical colors. So these are not chemical colors, so that's why they are so soft, nice and muted in shades. Okay, the market is all flooded with chemical colors, prints actually, you know, the screen printed ajrak. These are all natural dye, hand printed. So that's the blouse piece actually. While talking I just didn't mention it. So that's the blouse piece with the border. That's a BP with the border. And the last but not the least in this whole series is just one pure cotton, handloom cotton one, which I'm left with. Pure handloom cotton which I am left with. So this is this. And so this is basically what I have done. I have given a palla with Buddha hand block. See how pretty, how beautiful. This is a Buddha hand block with Buddha and lotus. See how Buddha hand block, how neat and intricate is the you know, is the palla, how pretty. So that's the body, so the body is with indigo, very nice and muted indigo color, So that's the whole body. Extremely beautiful sari. See, this is also equally soft and comfortable, because being a handloom cotton, soft and comfortable. So that's the body of the sari. So that's the body of the sari, and so that is the this, and I've given a blouse piece as this. This is the blouse piece. So that's the combination. That is the combination. Extremely beautiful, extremely nice. So this sari is priced at 5450. 5450. 5450. So that's one. Thank you so much, and be in touch and just write to me quickly, because otherwise things generally gets picked up. Okay, bye.